the 2002 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This two-door, three-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.